Hey folks, how are you? Mike Harris here from Phillips Chevrolet, the #1 Chevy dealership in the Midwest. Going to take a few minutes today to talk about a brand new 2014 Equinox. Just a beautiful truck through and through, great size. This in particular one is a 6-cylinder. You also have a 4-cylinder option, plenty of power. Your 4-cylinder is 186 horsepower. Your 6-cylinder is 301 horsepower, so it definitely can get up and go. This particular one here is styling. It's got your roof rack. It's a 1LT. Your chrome package on it, so your chrome door handles, chrome mirrors, chrome wheels, just ready to shine here for the winter. Equipped with your remote start, backup camera, MyLink radio, the whole nine. Perfectly priced for somebody that's looking to get into an SUV with some great amenities to it, but is trying to stay on a budget. This is your ticket right here. Currently, right now, you're running a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, so you don't have anything to worry about if, for some reason, there was something to go wrong. On top of that, you're running 2 years, 24,000 miles of maintenance, so that's going to include your oil change, your tire rotation, filter change, 172-point inspections, the whole nine. Nothing to worry about. You're also with this going to get 3 months of XM radio. 6 months of OnStar for free, and then you're also going to get 5 years of the OnStar Remote Link app, allowing you to do your remote start, your horns, your diagnostics, the whole nine from it. So come on down to Phillips Chevy in Frankfort, and I'll go through it all with you a little bit more. Come ask for me, Mike Harris. I'll be more than happy to take care of you. We'll see you soon.